Hello. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to connect the new device to the ASC CD app. First of all, make sure your new device is plugged into the socket and press the restart button for 10 seconds. Once you've done it, go to the ASC CD app, which you've already downloaded, and add a new device. Press ready. Go to settings and make sure you allow the access to ASC CD settings using this button, and then return to settings, press on to Wi-Fi connection, choose the ASC CD, come out, go back to the app and press already connected. Now enter your Wi-Fi credentials, and if you make a mistake, I'm afraid you have to start from the beginning and even press the restart button on your new device for 10 seconds. So make sure you don't make a mistake when entering the Wi-Fi password for your connection. Now press continue and wait few seconds. It takes few seconds, and brilliant, it's already connected. At this stage you can even change the name of your ASC. I'll name it test and then press continue, and it's done. Go to the unit 1 and type hello, and you will see it's already responding. So you basically paired up your new device to the app. That's it.